So as I pack some stuff away, got an email from one of my viewers the other day, Daniel. Thanks for emailing me, man. Just wanted some more information on the keg cooker, hot place, fireplace I've got here. Not going to do a full review on it, but we'll just basically go through. In the bottom, I've just got an oven tray that I've drilled some holes in to let some air flow through. I had that podgy pot sitting on top of that last night with the coals under it, and it was perfect distance under the pot, and that hasn't warped or anything. So I don't think it's stainless. I think it's just mild steel as your standard oven tray. This I got from the scrapyard. I don't know if it's just a standard, like your fridge stand or what it is. No rubber, no foam or nothing on it, so it's good with the heat, and that just folds up flat. Again, clear a bit of air out underneath it so you don't have coals drop on the ground. Nice and sturdy, and it took the weight of this, the pot. I could have used the ironing board, but just I think that pot's 8 kilos as it is without the liquid and everything in it, so I just wanted to be a bit more rigid with that on the bottom. And then the keg itself. Now, straight up, beer kegs, whether it's Carlton, Tooheys, whoever made them, they always remain the property of the brewery. The days of grabbing one from behind a pub or whatever else, well, it's stealing first up, but kegs are a bonded item under federal law. Even once they're empty, they're supposed to go back to the brewery to be refilled. They're a reusable product. They're not a throwaway thing. It's funny, nearly every morning I open up marketplaces, look for a bargain, and there's a keg someone's made into a cooker, fireplace, fire drum, or mailbox. I see a lot of them on the side of the road now. That's just lucky the federal government's not going to not going to chase it down and do something about it, but it is against the law, first thing. Now, I got this from the scrapyard, working at the scrapyard. Yeah, or every now and then you had people bring kegs in. By law, they're probably not supposed to buy them, but it's stainless. It's money for both parties. Take with that what you will. You got to be real careful cutting in the kegs, drilling in the kegs, because even though they're empty, there's still built up pressure. As long as there's fluid or leftover beer in the bottom, because I don't get every drop out, it'll continue to make its own gas, and it'll continue to be pressurized. If you can get your hands on a keg extractor, do it. Otherwise, throw a raincoat on or a plastic poncho or something, and depress the ball on the top. Once you've got that ball depressed and it sprays you in 2-year-old keg juice, just get a screwdriver or something, jam in beside the ball so it stays depressed. If you degas it, then move it around, leave it for a day, come back to it, it will build up some pressure again. Also, you'll notice some little nicks on the inside. They've got a circlip that's pressed in, and on most of your kegs there's no way to get that circlip out. Because the spear's under a big spring tension, it always presses on that. So the best thing, as I've done, put some nicks either side, again once it's been degassed, and you can get a screwdriver in there and punch those circlips out, so you can then twist, unlock the spear and bring it out. And then most people keep the bottom of the kegs because you can boil water on a campfire, that sort of thing. I got the billy, I got pots to do that. I wanted this one so it's got air entry under, and then I've just gone around the outside and drilled some holes right at the base of the collar. Again, drill and stainless, slow, and plenty of lubrication on it, otherwise you'll melt a couple of drill bits. But that's basically it. It was that much higher. I've cut it above this collar here, just so I can use the bit I've cut off. I can sit that back over it, so if I want a bit more height and just use it as a campfire base, I can put a bit more wood in it and still have that grill and everything on top of it, and get some heat from it while you're cooking as well. So again, the kegs are on Marketplace. There'll be blokes that have got them in the back of their shed. They've acquired them from somewhere back in the day. Just be careful. But fairly lightweight. Just get strapped back on top of the car when I'm done, and yeah, I think that's all I've got on the humble little keg barbie slash charcoal grill slash fireplace.